98% of new YouTubers will quit before the end of the month. But if you're still watching right now, congratulations, you're already in the 2% who might actually make it. I'm Mario from the Speakers Creator Hub. I am not here to sell you dreams. I am here to give you the truth for trust, transparency for clarity, and honesty for loyalty. Today I am showing you how to build passive income through evergreen content that keeps paying you while you sleep. Even if you're a total beginner making your first videos, stick with me till the very end. If you bail early, you'll miss the exact formula that turned my channel into a money machine. Like and subscribe right now so you don't forget we're going deep. Let's go. Fact: YouTube says over 70% of new channels upload fewer than 10 videos and disappear. Satire time: most beginners treat YouTube like a Tinder date. They show up once, get ghosted by the algorithm, then cry it's rigged. Evergreen content is the opposite. It's videos that never expire. Think how to tie a tie in 30 seconds or best budget microphone under $50. People will still be searching for that exact answer in 2027, and you'll still get paid. If you're nodding your head right now, smash that like button and comment Evergreen below so I know you're locked in. Now for the 3-step Evergreen formula beginners can use today. Step 1. Pick evergreen topics your future self will thank you for, not reacting to today as drama. But how to start a YouTube channel in 2026 and avoid beginner mistakes. Step 2, script it once, film it once, optimize it once, then let the algorithm do the heavy lifting. Real number. My oldest evergreen video from 3 years ago still makes $400 to $700 every single month on autopilot. Step 3, use the snowball strategy. One video links to the next in your description. That's how passive income compounds. People think they need to post daily, post once a week, but make it evergreen, and you'll outlast the daily grinders who burn out by week 4. Pause this video right now and write down one evergreen topic you can film this week. Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. Look, I'm more than the speaker on stage. I am the guy who got 47 hate comments on my first video and almost deleted my channel. You're gonna get ratioed. You're gonna get called cringe. You're gonna see creators with 10 times your subs making half your money. That's the game. You need thick skin like a rhinoceros dipped in Teflon. But here's the transparency. The ones who stay win. My channel hit 6 figures in passive revenue only after I stopped caring what strangers on the internet thought. Fact: the top 1% of creators make 90% of the money because they outlasted everyone else. If you're ready to grow that thick skin with me, comment thick skin below. I'm sending the first 100 people who do a free checklist from my email list. Here's what actually happens when you go evergreen. For your first 10 videos, you might make anywhere from $0 to $200 a month. From video 11 to 50, that can jump to $800 to $2,500 a month. And once you have 51 or more videos, you could be looking at $5,000 to $15,000 or more per month on autopilot. I am being 100% honest. It took me 14 months to hit my first $1,000 passive month. But once the snowball starts rolling, it doesn't stop. The secret sauce: repurpose the same video into shorts, TikTok, and email newsletters. One piece of content equals 5 income streams. Stay till the end for the bonus I am about to drop. It is the exact email I send my top students that turn their channels passive. So there it is, the long game strategy that separates the quitters from the quiet millionaires. If you stayed till the end, you're built different. Now go film that first evergreen video this week. Like this video if it helped, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a truth bomb, and comment your evergreen topic below. And if you want my private newsletter with scripts, checklists, and monthly updates straight to your inbox, head over to mrapip.com right now and sign up. It's free, and I personally send every issue. I'm Mario. Truth for trust, transparency for clarity, honesty for loyalty. I'll see you in the next one. And in your analytics when those evergreen checks start rolling in. Now go make it happen.
still love you. Sometimes I look at the years that passed, but I still love you. Sometimes I look at the nights that drowned me, but I still love you. Sometimes I can't breathe, I can't breathe, I can't breathe, but I still love you. Sometimes I put a rope around my neck, but I still love you. Sometimes I put a rope around my neck and I whisper your name, and I still love you. I can't breathe, I can't breathe, I can't breathe, but I still love you.
I remember when we sat in the park, when the sky turned dark. I told you I loved you and you told me the same. We swam in at the water cold, the stars fall. I went down to the bottom, I couldn't get back up, but I still loved you.
I drowned for you, I sat at the bottom of the pool for you. Lungs burning, silence crushing, but I still loved you. I rose, I walked downtown looking for you because I loved you. Every step, every street was your ghost pulling me along. I can't breathe,
but I still love you.
I can't breathe,
but I still love you. Darkness drowning, rope gun, I still love.
I can't breathe, but I still love you.
Sometimes I'd see you with another man. How could I stand it? How could I stand there and still love you? You smiled, you laughed, his cologne on your skin, his sweat on your body, but I still loved you.
I clenched my fists, I shook with rage. Sometimes I put a bullet in the gun, pointed it at you. One pop, you would have been gone. You didn't see it, you didn't know it, but I still loved you. I can't breathe,
But I still love you. Rope on my neck, but I still love you. Gun in my hand, but I still love you. Drowning in the water,
but I still love you. I can't breathe.
then you came back around. You knocked on my door.
You said, hey babe, let's go here, let's go there. You smiled, you laughed, you said you still love me.
I should have killed you, I should have broken you, but instead I took you out on the town because I still loved you.
We walked together, I showed you to my friends. They said she's good for you,
But I knew better. You brought me misery, you brought me rage, but I still loved you.
what do I do? Boom, boom, pop, what do I do? Point the gun, pull the rope, sink in the water, burn in the fire. I still love you. Drown, 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 drown. Lungs full, silence low, sit at the bottom. I can't breathe, I can't breathe. I still love you. I can't breathe, but I still love you. I can't breathe, I can't breathe, but I still love you. Even when I drown, I still love you. Even when I burn, I still love you. Even with the gun, I still love you. I can't breathe. Every step downtown was for you. Every alley, every light, was my shadow chasing yours. Every man you touched was another cut in my chest. Every night you left me alone was another night I drowned. I wanted to kill you, but instead I held you. I wanted to burn it all, but instead I walk with you. I wanted to let go, but instead I held on. Because I still loved you. But I still love you. Drown me, but I still love you. Hate me, I still love you. Shoot me, but I still love you.
Bottom of the pool, I whispered your name at the end of the rope. I whispered your name at the point of the gun. I whispered your name.
And every whisper said the same. I still love you. I still love you. I remember when we sat in the park, when the sky turned dark. I told you I loved you and you told me the same. We swam at night, the water cold, the stars far. I went down to the bottom, I couldn't get back up. But I still loved you. I drowned for you, I sat at the bottom of the pool for you. Lungs burning, silence crushing, but I still loved you. I rose, I walked downtown looking for you because I loved you. Every step, every street was your ghost pulling me along.